Welcome, explorers, to your exclusive lesson here on Patreon. Today, we are talking about food preferences. I'm Mark, and today you will learn how to share your favorite foods, ask others about theirs, and sound natural in any food chat. So, grab your worksheets from the Patreon post, maybe a cuppa and a snack, and let's dive into the delicious world of food talk. So here's what you'll achieve today. You will master 12 phrases to discuss food preferences, practice real-life dialogues, learn cultural tips to connect through food, work on pronunciation to sound more natural, and we'll use a worksheet to lock in your skills. Let's learn 12 phrases to talk about food. I'll share each phrase with its meaning, I'll give you an example and a tip, and then we'll do some quick practice. Follow along on your worksheet. Phrase 1. I love Italian food. This shares what you like. For example, I love Italian food, especially lasagna. The tip here is to name a dish, a favorite dish that you do enjoy. Let's practice. Say, I love, put your food in there, food. For example, I love Italian food. Phrase 2. What's your favorite food? You use this to ask others their preferences in food. For example, what's your favorite food? I'm into spicy ramen. The tip here is to use a warm tone to sound inviting. Practice. Ask aloud. What's your favorite food? Phrase 3. I'm not keen on spicy food. This politely expresses dislikes. For example, I'm not keen on spicy food, but I do love a mild curry. The tip here is to use words like not keen to stay polite. Phrase 4. I enjoy eating sushi. This describes likes with variety. For example, I enjoy eating sushi, especially with wasabi. The tip here is to add a detail such as a condiment, as in wasabi. Phrase 5. Do you like fast food? Ask about specific food types. For example, do you like fast foods? I'm into burgers. The tip here is to focus on a category like desserts or fast foods. Phrase 6. My favorite dish is curry. Highlight a specific dish. For example, my favorite food is curry, especially butter chicken. The tip here is to be specific to spark curiosity. Phrase 7. I often eat pasta. Talk about eating habits. For example, I often eat pasta with marinara sauce. The tip here is to use words like often or sometimes. Practice now. Phrase 8. I don't like sweet desserts. This shares dislikes politely. For example, I don't like sweet desserts, but I love fruit salad. The tip here is to offer an alternative to stay positive. Phrase 9. What food do you cook? Ask about cooking habits. For example, what food do you cook? I make homemade pizza. This is a great way to learn about others' skills. Phrase 10. I'm mad about chocolate. Show enthusiasm. For example, I'm mad about chocolate, especially dark chocolate. The use of mad about adds excitement to your statement. Practice now with some enthusiasm of your own. Phrase 11. I prefer savory snacks. This compares preferences. For example, I prefer savory snacks, like crisps over sweet things. Use the word prefer to show choice. Phrase 12. Have you tried sushi? Ask about food experiences. For example, have you tried sushi? It's my favorite. The tip here is to use the have you tried to start food stories. Go through each of these phrases, rewind the video right now and look at each of the phrases and repeat and practice these out loud and continue to work through the worksheet, which will help you to master these basic phrases in food preferences. I love Italian food. What's your favorite food? I'm not keen on spicy food. I enjoy eating sushi. Do you like fast food? My favorite dish is curry. I often eat pasta. I don't like sweet desserts. What food do you cook? I'm mad about chocolate. I prefer savory snacks. Have you tried sushi? Food talk varies by culture. So let's explore 4 tips to connect globally. Follow along on your worksheet. Tip number 1. Know regional favorites. In Italy, people love talking about pasta, like spaghetti or gnocchi. In Japan, sushi or ramen gets them excited. Research local dishes before traveling. Tip 2 is to respect food customs. Some cultures avoid food, like pork in Muslim culture or beef in India. Use I'm not keen on to avoid offending. Tip 3 is to share your culture. Talk about a dish or dishes from your country. For example, I love making whatever your dish is at home. It builds bridges. Tip 4, ask about traditions. Try what's a special dish for your holidays. For example, in Mexico, I said I love tacos, and they shared their favorite salsas. Let's try it now. Pause and say one food from your culture that you would share with a friend. Let's make your food talk sound clear and natural with a pronunciation focus. We'll work on 4 phrases. Listen, repeat, and record yourself, and then compare them with my clips on this video. Phrase 1, I love Italian food. Stress love and say Italian. Italian. Listen, I love Italian food. Now you say it. Phrase 2. What's your favorite food? Stress favorite and keep food short. Listen. What's your favorite food? Now you say it. Phrase 3. I'm not keen on spicy food. Say keen smoothly and stress spicy. Have a listen. I'm not keen on spicy food. Now you say it. Phrase 4. I'm mad about chocolate. Stress mad and say chocolate as chocolate. Listen again. I'm mad about chocolate. Now you say it. Great job, everyone. Record yourself saying all of these phrases and then listen back to yourself and then compare them to the clips that you see in this video. Next, we're going to talk about 5 tips to make your food chats shine. Grab these for natural conversations. Tip 1 is to use enthusiastic words like love, enjoy, mad about. Tip 2 is to soften your dislikes with not keen or not into. Tip 3 is to add details to what you're saying, like, I love pizza with extra cheese. Tip 4 is ask follow-up questions, like, what kind of curry do you make? Tip 5, use gestures, like thumbs up, or smile to show excitement. For example, instead of I like food, say, I'm mad about sushi with wasabi. It's more engaging. Let's practice. Pause and say one food you love with more detail. Like, I love pizza with pepperoni. Now, let's practice 5 real-life dialogues to use these phrases more confidently. Repeat after each line. Each clip is around 10 to 15 seconds long, so pause after each one and repeat them. What's your favorite food? I love Italian food, especially pasta carbonara. Nice. Do you like fast food? I'm not keen on it, but I love burgers. Brilliant. What food do you cook? I often cook curry. It's my favorite dish. Ace. I'm mad about chocolate. Yeah, I don't like sweet desserts, but I love fruit. Nice one. I enjoy eating sushi. Nice. Have you tried sushi with wasabi? I'm not keen on spicy food, but I love fish. I often eat pasta. I prefer savory snacks over sweet ones. Oh, like what? I'm mad about crisps and guacamole. Nice. I love tacos. Have you tried spicy tacos? What's your favorite dish? I love sushi, especially salmon rolls. Cool. I'm not into fish, but I love pasta. Oh, what kind do you make? Oh, pesto pasta.